Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel One Stop.
Hello everyone, so today I'll be talking about Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. I won't be going into detailed specification because it's already mentioned in their website. I'll share the link of the same in the description box. You can have a look at it. So in this video what I'll show is sound, video, the camera quality, etc. So let's get started. So this is the tab. Along with it you'll get a travel adapter, an ejection pin or data cable, and a user manual. Fine. You get it in a box like this. Now talking about the tab, it's quite slim and stylish. It has got a metallic body. Okay, and the screen is also 10.4 inches. It is quite lightweight as well. The tab has Android 10 operating system. This is the side key or power button, and this is the volume key. Now let's quickly have a look at the picture quality, the sound, etc. So like if you are going through your social media sites and all, you can just see the screen, how big it is, and the pictures and all. So that's it. And you can also, if you are doing online shopping like I do, you will really love the experience. And if you love playing games also, it is really good. I'll just show it to you. I'll just play and show it to you. It loads pretty fast and the battery life is also very good. Now let's have a look at the sound and video quality. It has got Dolby Atmos enabled speakers. You can see two is like you have it here and two on the other side. So let's check. So the sound quality is really good. It gives a home theater experience. It is really nice. Now I'll click some photos and show you how's the image quality. So this is the selfie I've taken right now. You can see the image quality out here. It's a little blur. I'll zoom in more. See, the front camera is 5 megapixels, so you can't expect much. If you're a selfie lover, you may not like this. Now I'll show you the image taken from the rear camera. This is better than the one that I showed you, like the image taken from the front camera. The back camera has 8 megapixel and this is still okay. See, the image quality is not like what you get in smartphones. So this phone has 360-degree rotation. The image quality is not that great as I showed you, but you know, it has got a wide screen like 10.4 inches. It has got Dolby Atmos enabled speakers. Then you know, it's quite stylish, slim. So you can definitely buy this tab. I didn't get the screen protector and the case cover in the store or in the local market, so I have ordered it online. Now if the product quality is good, I will definitely share the details in my next video. If you have any other query, please do let me know. I will get back to you. Till then, take care and have a nice day.